Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to day 5 report. Yep, today I want to start with the new car. Okay, it's not visible. This is uh, Chevrolet Camaro. Yep, I mean, that looks cool to be honest. I like it. Okay, so day 5. What have I done? What happened? I finished in the day 4. I showed the Kaggle website and the exercise. I was doing Python exercise. I finished those Python exercise. I can show it. Let's move to my laptop. It's here. If you guys remember, it was Python like 50%. Now this is like finished, and the certificate. I mean, they also give certificate. You guys can learn it there, and it is actually teaching very useful stuff there. And there are the courses like Intro to Machine Learning Pandas. Probably I may start. I'm gonna start probably Pandas or one of these, or maybe like I can go just one by one. And these are actually useful. Uh, yep, that's all for day 5, and I'll upload the day 6 video a bit later. Thank you.